Greetings, happy coders. We are back once again with another mod, another desecration of a classic, ruining your nostalgia with my modern updates. What am I like anyway? Yeah, so someone on Facebook said you did Deathchase uncontended, so it was faster. Could you put AY music? Well, I was planning to put AY sound, but then I thought actually it could work with AY music if I could find the right music. A lot of the times you get these, well, I'm going to say a little bit lazy mods where people add music that they like but doesn't necessarily suit the game. So I had a little bit of dig around. I found this Russian guy called Splinter who's made some pretty nice tunes, sort of techno style tunes. They're available on the ZX Art, so presumably he doesn't mind if I use them in this mod. Not going to make any money from or charge for this, obviously. Um, but I've tried to get in touch with him anyway, so hopefully he'll give me the nod. But for now, it's not released, and but I thought you'd like to see it anyway. So I made some changes to Deathchase. I also updated the font and the panel down the bottom just to give it a little more pizzazz. But the music is the main thing, and in this case we've got menu music and we've got day music and we've got night music. So, and it's all by the same guy, so that kind of it all flows in quite well. Anyway, without further ado, let's just have a look. Let's take a look. Just bear with me. Here we go. Just pause it for a second and also add that what I've also done is taken out the engine sounds because they really messed with the music. I know they're a bit iconic, but what can you do? And instead I've added a sound for the gun when you shoot. So yeah, swings and roundabouts, eh? Anyway, let's have a listen. All right, let's go. I think that fire sound could do with some work. Anyway, that's it. Yeah, I think that fire could probably do with some work. It sounds a little bit tweety. I based it on the code that's already in the game, so to try and match it with the other current sound effects, but it doesn't really um, hit the spot, I think. But anyway, that's that. I may do some more tweaks. This is going to be made available to my supporters on Patreon. First of all, early access, so to speak. And hopefully I'll have that out for everyone else at some point soon as well. But if you'd like to support me on Patreon, I would really appreciate it. It helps Really helps to buy me a little bit of time to do more of this kind of stuff for you guys. So if you'd like to do that, you can find me at, sorry, here's the cat. Here she is. You can find me at patreon.com, happycodingzx, and I'm also live on Twitch, twitch.tv, happycodingzx, if you want to see some coding tutorials. Also supported by my kind patrons who make that possible. So it's goodbye from Alice, and it's goodbye from me. And as always, happy coding. Bye-bye.